What's the meaning of canned? Canned. Canned.
Canned. Canned. The term canned can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to food products that are preserved and sealed in a container such as a can. The objective of canning is to extend the shelf life of the product and protect it from contamination. It's a popular way of preserving fruits, vegetables, meats, and other food items. Canned foods can be found in supermarkets and grocery stores worldwide, providing consumers with a convenient and cost-effective option for food storage and preparation.